So today we are going to be doing us a quick and easy one pan meal. I was thinking shrimp fajitas. So I have me some green pepper here, red pepper, and I had a little bag of sweet peppers. I did not want them to go to waste. So I also have some orange peppers and semi-yellow, half orange peppers. Y'all, I don't know why do we buy separate yellow and orange peppers, because the yellow pepper is going to end up turning orange, or either I think the yellow pepper ends up turning orange anyway. But when you need it right then and there, you got to get both for the colors. So let's go ahead and get started with this quick and easy meal. I'm hoping this only takes about 30 minutes or so, minus the prepping. Y'all know the prepping takes all day, but we only got to prep these little peppers here, so it should take us about a good 30 minutes. avocado oil. Using this one right here. This is a I found this at the store today, y'all. It was kind of scary. Let's look at it. But this one is actually lower in milligrams, so that's why I chose to use this one. All of the ones that I saw were like 350, 300, 450. This one is actually sitting at 120 milligrams. So this was the lowest milligram that I actually saw. So we're gonna do this. Also got some lime pepper. We about to add this lime pepper to this. Lime pepper, lime juice, mix that up. You can actually use a fajita seasoning, y'all. I did not think to actually look for fajita. I found taco seasoning. So otherwise, I would have actually used fajita seasoning because it's fajita mix. But taco seasoning it is. Got our pan. Gonna add a little bit of some spray to it. I like to spray my bottom. Fajita mix should look just like that. And you can do this with chicken, steak. I've done it before with chicken and shrimp. Spread it out. And spread the shrimp out so they can make sure they cook evenly. I'm gonna put this in the oven on 400 and I'm gonna place this on the bottom rack. So after about 7 to 8 minutes, y'all, we have to add the cheese to it. I almost forgot we had to add that cheese. So you don't want the shrimp to overcook. I definitely thought I had a Mexican cheese, y'all, but we're gonna be using Kobe and Jack today. If you have a Mexican cheese, please use Mexican cheese. Looking for the cheese to melt. I gave you backup today. Baby, I love you so. good, so good, so good. Cilantro. So good. Quick, simple, easy. You do this for lunch, dinner, whatever. Snack. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and make my husband's dinner. So tortillas, some rice, sizzling. Let's put the tortillas on the side a little bit. We got our one pan shrimp fajitas. Y'all hear that? The only thing I forgot to do, y'all, was actually make black beans. Y'all forgot I had the little thing for it to go under. There we go. Fresh lime juice. Some lime, not lime, cilantro. Add a little lime. Let's add the lime over there somewhere. You know what? Let's just add it on top. Avocado lime. Oh, I don't like how this come out. I need this to come out like, hold on. We're gonna see if we can improvise and add it to this bottle. Right? Avocado lime. There we go. Nice and pretty. Add a little bit to that rice. All right, for his drink. Coconut water, and you gotta have that ice with that coconut water. Put the lime in the coconut. Sit it to the side. Let me taste it for him, hold on. Ooh, the lime just adds the perfect touch. This is so good. You can have this with tortillas, you can have this with chips, you can just have it with the rice, with some black beans on the side. But of course, I forgot to cook the black beans. So this is good, right? That's enough.